Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ada with you again today. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time of visiting, you're highly welcome. Do so good to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get my videos as soon as I upload. So I'm super excited to share with you today on how to make carrot stew. Carrot stew is a Nigerian stew. It's an alternative to the Nigerian tomato stew. This stew is healthy, tasty, and delicious. So to be making this recipe, we need carrots. We'll be scraping the back of a carrot, then wash, then we'll now grate the carrot. So the next here is pepper. Here we have red pepper and green pepper. We also have an onion. We'll be blending the pepper, and also for the green pepper we'll be chopping it and slicing our onion. The next on our list here is beef. So we'll be spicing it up. With the spices I'll be showing you guys in a jiffy. Here is a vegetable oil, and here is the spice we'll be using. I have fried shallot here, and rosemary. I have salt, seasoning cube, fresh turmeric, and fresh garlic. So let's get started. So the first thing is we'll start by grating a carrot, or rather scraping it like I mentioned earlier. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. This is the major ingredients in this recipe. So after scraping the back, we wash, then grate. So we've finished scraping the back. So here we are boiling the meat with the spices I mentioned. So in an empty dry pot, pour in your vegetable oil. Add the sliced onions. And stir. Yeah, this is a grated carrots. You also be adding it. So we're going to leave it for the water to dry up. The water and the carrots to dry up. So the preparation is just similar to the Nigerian tomato stew. So we are using this in place of our tomatoes. This is it. The water is almost dried, leaving only the vegetable oil. You guys are seeing it? Add your pepper. I'm adding curry powder. So I decided to add curry powder to it to also give it flavor and give it a good stir. You pour in your meat with the stock. Please guys, try this out. You love it. It's very nice. So delicious. So like I said, this is an alternative to tomato stew. Very healthy. So we leave to simmer. You add your seasoning cube, then salt to taste. Then you add water because it needs water. Then give it a good stir. I love this stew. So delicious, honestly. Guys, for the recipe measurements, please visit adasrecipes.com. Alright? To get the measurements of the recipe. Then you add your green pepper. So this is the last thing you'll be adding. I like the flavor green pepper gives me in my recipes. It's very nice. So please, if you've not subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button like I mentioned earlier. Don't go away without subscribing, please, guys. Oh wow, I love this goodness. Like I said, please don't miss out trying this. Make sure you try this. Give it a try. You will love it. I mean it. So our stew is almost ready. It's almost ready. Wow, I hope you guys are seeing it. You're almost done. This is good. So if you're bored with tomato stew, you can try this. All right. If you're bored with tomato, you can try carrot. Wow, this is it. And we're bringing it down from heat. You can enjoy with rice and any other thing that works well with you. Oh, this is it, guys. Hope you're seeing it. This is good. Please don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. And I know you enjoyed this video. Yes, no doubt. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love you so much, guys.